Do you ever wonder why your CPA says that you made a profit, but your bank account doesn't look like it, or it might even be empty? Or maybe you're grinding 60 hours a week, bringing in solid revenue, and you still feel broke at the end of the month. Well, you're not alone, and you're not crazy. Today's episode, we're going to break down why profit doesn't equal the same thing as your paycheck and your bank account, and how to fix that. I'm Anthony Brister, and this is the Wealth Planning Podcast with Brister Law. This episode is where we get real about money, not just how to make it, but how to keep it, grow it, and build real generational wealth. Grab your notes, because this one's going to shift the way that you see your business. So let's start off, and let's destroy a dangerous myth. Just because your business is profitable on paper doesn't mean you're financially healthy. Here's why. Your P&L statement shows revenue minus expenses, but it doesn't account for loan repayments, equipment purchases, owner draws, personal spending from the business account, inventory spending, and taxes that you haven't paid yet. So yes, you can have $150K profit and only $4K in the bank. Your money didn't disappear. It got reassigned without your permission. Let me break this down for you. Let's say that you made $250K in sales. You spent $120K on contractors and marketing. Your net profit shows $130K. But then $40K went to taxes, but you didn't save it. $25K went to credit card payments. $18K in subscriptions and software, and $5K in random owners draws. You reinvested in inventory or a new course, but you didn't track it. And suddenly you're overdrafting and you don't know why. It's not that your business is broken, your money systems are broken. Here's what I see all the time. We get high revenue businesses with empty bank accounts and no financial clarity. The core issue, you're looking at your P&L like it's your bank statement, and it's not. You need to track your monthly cash flow, your owner's draws and pay, tax allocation, and business reserves. Without that, you're flying blind. This is not just a math problem. Profit is a number and wealth is behavior. That's why I like the debt snowball model, not because it's mathematically optimal, but because it's behaviorally sticky. And let's get real, you're giving Visa 17% interest. Why not give yourself that 17% back? Start here. You want to list every debt, and then you want to pay the minimums on all but the lowest balance. Throw every extra dollar at that one with the lowest balance. Once you pay it off, celebrate that win, get that dopamine hit, because momentum builds confidence, and confidence is what changes your life. You don't build wealth from profit, you build it from surplus. Profit is just a start. Surplus is whatever is left over after paying your team, saving for taxes, paying yourself, and reinvesting with intention. Let me give you an action step. Go open up a Google sheet, name it cash flow map, and create these columns: income, reoccurring expenses, owner pay, taxes to set aside, savings, surplus. Track this monthly and religiously. You don't feel broke because you don't make money. You feel broke because your money disappears without direction. Let me tell you a story. I had a client earning $300,000 a year. He was netting $100K and had $1,500 in their bank account total. They weren't lazy, they just had no system. So we gave them buckets for income, taxes, reserves, investments, weekly pay to self-spend. 3 months later, they had $18K cash buffer and peace of mind. What can that do for you? You want to introduce a personal financial statement. Assets minus liabilities equal your net worth. Track this every quarter. Business revenue doesn't matter if your net worth is on the decline. The net worth is your scorecard. You want to stop trying to scale your income when your systems can't handle your current cash. You wouldn't pour water into a leaky bucket, but that's what most entrepreneurs do with their revenue. You want to fix the leaks first. Look at those subscriptions, the redundant software, the overpayment of contractors, and the lifestyle creep. And then start your emergency fund, start your reserve account, and then grow it. If you're profitable but broke, you're not a failure, you're just underinformed, and you probably don't have a plan. But that's fixable. Let me give you an action list. Build a simple cash flow forecast. Create a personal financial statement. Review your last 3 months of spending. Start the debt snowball. Set aside 15 to 30% of your income for taxes. Pay yourself every week. Go meet with a professional and actually get a plan that's built specifically for you. You don't need another hustle. You need strategy and a plan, and then you need to follow that plan. If you want my cash flow template or personal financial statement builder, DM me broke to built on Instagram and I'll send that over. Or join my email list at bristertaxall.com, where I break down real financial strategies every single week. And if this video helped you, share it, tag a business owner who's grinding hard but feeling stuck. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other videos that we come in the future, because no one should work this hard and still feel broke. Well, that's all I have for today. Again, my name is Anthony Brister. This is a Wealth Planning Podcast. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you on the next one.